During our childhood, we all harbored aspirations of soaring through the skies on an airplane, captivated by the allure of adventure and excitement. The dream of flight symbolizes liberation, the exhilarating sensation of traversing clouds, and the opportunity to behold the world from a fresh and awe-inspiring vantage point. Passenger aircraft represent a remarkable engineering achievement, possessing exceptional capacities that enable us to swiftly transport large numbers of travelers across vast distances, bridging continents and oceans in mere hours. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we embark on an exhilarating exploration of passenger planes, delving into their awe-inspiring speed and captivating takeoffs and landings. Through answering significant inquiries, we will unveil captivating secrets about these colossal machines that have revolutionized travel, enabling us to embark on journeys and uncover diverse cultures. The takeoff and landing phases of a flight are commonly regarded as the most perilous. Passengers are typically instructed to fasten their seat belts and remain seated during these stages for a specific reason. Have you ever contemplated the rationale behind this precautionary measure? These phases of flight are considered the most hazardous due to a combination of factors. According to experts, takeoff and landing involve relatively brief durations compared to the overall flight time, leaving pilots with limited opportunities to rectify any malfunctions or unforeseen circumstances and adjust the aircraft's trajectory accordingly. The takeoff and landing phases of flights account for 49% of aircraft crashes, making them the most perilous periods. Extreme caution should be exercised during these stages to ensure safety. In the brief span of 30 to 35 seconds during takeoff, the crew faces a critical situation if the engine fails. At this point, the pilot must swiftly make a decision between proceeding with the takeoff or attempting to bring the aircraft back to the ground. Takeoff speeds range from 200 to 250 or 280 kilometers per hour, varying based on the aircraft's type and weight. Opting for a landing retry poses significant risks and increases the likelihood of a crash. During the landing phase, the aircraft rapidly descends towards the ground. The speed at which the plane lands varies depending on factors such as weight, size, and wind conditions, whether the wind is stable or opposing the landing path. Typically, the landing speed ranges from approximately 240 to 260 kilometers per hour. Any interference from winds, natural obstacles, or human factors on the runway can potentially lead to a catastrophic event. The length and width of runways for takeoff and landing vary depending on the type of airport. Small general aviation airports typically have runways measuring around 245 meters in length and 8 meters in width. On the other hand, international airports designed to handle large civil jet aircraft feature much longer runways, spanning approximately 5,500 meters in length and 80 meters in width. The size of the runway is determined by the airport's capacity and the types of aircraft it serves. The length of a runway is influenced by various factors, including the altitude of the city where the airport is situated. As the altitude increases, air density decreases, requiring aircraft to generate greater thrust and attain higher speeds during takeoff. Consequently, airports located at higher altitudes necessitate longer runways to accommodate these requirements. Additionally, the size of the aircraft plays a crucial role in determining runway length. Larger planes demand extended runways for both landing and takeoff. For instance, a plane might require a 3,000-meter runway for landing, while a longer runway of 4,000 meters might be necessary for takeoff. Ideally, a runway length of 3,000 meters is considered suitable at sea level, as it can cater to a wide range of aircraft types. May your journey be filled with safety and joy. Best of luck to you.